Thanks for watching this quick video and update on Amazon stock. In front of us there is 1 hour candlestick showing the price movement, and what we can see is that the trend line, that is this red line, has been broken, giving a weakness signal to this market. So the analysis that generally I do is that generally are mainly based on technical analysis only, but always I would suggest to have a look at fundamental analysis as well. Both fundamental and technical analysis generally should match, should be on the same page. If they are on the same page, it's good, and we feel more confident in investing in this stock or any other stocks. Just always try to match both, combine both technical and fundamental analysis. So as we can see, the major trend that I've already drawn with this blue line shows this bullish trend, uptrend, and the breakout of the trend line giving a weakness signal to the trend, but generally based on mainly on probabilities, the probability that this stock will keep going up is higher than the probability that this stock will start reversing, will start going down. So if it's easier for a stock to keep going, to keep following its own trend. In this case, that is an uptrend, is a bullish market, it's easier for this stock to keep going upward. This is mainly based on probabilities and technical analysis, because technical analysis is mainly based on probabilities. That's why this is the reason why it's not always 100% sure. So in conclusion, what can we do? What can we say is that the exponential moving average of 200 confirms the red line trend line. So we are in an uptrend. So there is an uptrend well defined. This trend line has been tested 4 times, working as proper trend line. It's been broken, giving a weakness signal. The idea, based on probabilities and technical analysis, is to go long, because most likely the price will start going up again, but we cannot take in account this weakness signal. To do that, there is still an option 2, that is only the one is 40%, and the idea is that this stock can really go downwards, because due to the fact that this trend line has been broken. This option we cannot neglect. This option 2 is there, and we need to be aware of this breakout of the trend line. It's just a warning for us that the market is perhaps is weakening, is becoming weaker and weaker day after day. Perhaps, we don't know. It's just a signal. We need to watch it out. We need to bear in mind. It's a warning, but I think that right now the option 1 is the one that based on technical analysis and based on probabilities, it's the one that is taking advantage, or is just the one that is most likely to happen, let's say. Again, but again, if you're not invested into it, just hold for now, because it's a critical time to invest in Amazon. It's too late, first of all, to go long, I believe, but just hold for now would be the best option, because there is still this option 2 viable. So because this option is still there and is still possible, and this one is what we would like to do, because we would like to invest always in the major trend, in the trend direction, because this option is this is the option that we would like to follow, but this option 2 is always there and it still can happen. So the best idea is to hold for now. So in conclusion, just hold would be the best options, or if you are there, if you're already there in the market, I think this is the option 1 has 60% probabilities, so it's most likely to happen. And even because if you're gonna have a look to Alibaba, that is the same, it's in the same business of Amazon, it seems ready to go upward, where this trend line, red trend line, has been tested, giving a signal, being tested right now, giving the start of new rally. So the idea for Alibaba is to go long. So this one is good news for going back to Amazon, because it's a different brand in the same business. The idea generally different brands or different companies, let's say, in the same business, they should perform almost in the same way. This is this is general rule. It does not apply always, but general rules. If Alibaba performs well, also Amazon has to perform well because they do the same stuff. So this is my interpretation for this talk. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very easy, it's very clear, mainly based on simple technical analysis, and this is with my technical analysis interpretation. If you're gonna take it out, this is how this talk looks like. So, and again, this exponential moving average, it's amazing because it helps us to understand the trend, and as if you can trace a line just following this blue line, light blue line, you know, it's just telling us the trend, where it's just helping us to define the trend line, and in fact the trend line follows approximately the light blue line. That is the exponential moving average, one of the most trustable tool in technical analysis. So again, thanks for watching this video, and this is again a chart 1 hour candlestick of Amazon stock. Thanks, bye.